Hello friends, welcome back. And in this video, we are going to discuss about like how to overload a post increment or a post decrement operator. In the previous video, we have discussed about overloading the pre-increment operator, and I left it up to you to practice about the decrement operator, pre-increment operator. But in this video, we are going to discuss about the post version of the increment and decrement operators. So in the previous video, we have seen that if we do something like this s plus plus rather than plus plus s, then in that case this particular line was failing and it was giving the error, right? Why? Because this is not the post increment, this is for the pre increment. By default, any operator, if you any unary operator, if you define like this, then in that case this particular version of the overloaded operator will be for the pre increment operator or the pre decrement operator, whatever the case may be. Yeah, so if you have to write the post version of this post version of this increment operator, then you need to do something like this: void operator, then plus plus, and then you need to write like int here. So this int is nothing. It's not like we are passing any argument here. It's simply an indication to the compiler that we are writing this particular version as the post increment operator. Okay, this will be called when the post incrementation on the object will be called. So now we are going to do like nval plus plus. Okay, so now if I do s plus plus, then this will work fine and the compilation will be done perfectly. So the compilation is fine here, and if you run this, then you will be able to see the two values printed, 10 and 11. Okay, so here the value is 10 when you print it here, and here at this line s plus plus, the value is still 10, but after this line the value becomes 11. After this line, value will become 11 because this is the post increment operator, right? So if you want to see the example, then in the next video we will see that how the pre and post increment version of the objects can be seen applying the value just like it applies in the case of a normal variables. Okay, so at this line the value will remain 10, but when you will come out of this line, when you will reach this line after performing the operation, this will become 11. So here if you print it, then the incrementation would have been taken place, right? So with this particular video comes to an end, and in the next video we will see how the post and pre-increment can be seen in the operation when you are applying them on the objects, user defined object, just like they are performed on the normal variables. Till then, have a nice day and bye bye.